If you need to remove a payment method from your Venmo account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure it's done correctly. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines or the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and select Payment Methods. This section will display all the payment methods currently linked to your Venmo account. Step 4. Select the payment method. Choose the payment method you wish to remove. This could be a bank account or a credit/debit card. Tap on it to view more options. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for the option to remove or delete the selected payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to complete the removal process. Once you have followed these steps, the payment method will be successfully removed from your Venmo account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Venmo's help section for further assistance.